Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OSCAL C20 PRO and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter the gestures and tap on system navigation, so the second option. And as you can see here, we've got two options, so the 3 buttons navigation, which is currently applied, and gesture navigation. So simply tap on this option at the top, and you can see that instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. Here we've got the animation. However, I will also show you how to use them. You can enter the settings here and you can manage the back sensitivity. You can set it on the lower or higher level, but to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be lower or higher. Alright, so now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that, until you'll see this arrow. Now if you can see it, you can release the finger and you just got back, and the same situation from the right side. If you want to get back to the home page directly, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that your motion will be quick and short, just like that. And here you've got the home page. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, however, elongate it and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that, and after releasing you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.